Why'd you click on the video, sis? Because I'm confused.
What's up, Bree?
Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. If you are new here, my name is Bree. If you are not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already, because I already know you're gonna like your girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm not gonna do no long intro, but I just want to let you guys know you clicked on the title for a reason, right? You clicked on the title, so you already know what this video is about. So if you don't like seeing black girls in luxury, why'd you click on the video, sis? Because I'm confused. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys my new purchase. I'm really excited about it. I have been holding on to it for a couple of days now just so I can share this experience with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the luxury unboxing. Okay, y'all, so this is the box that my package was delivered in. I could have went to Lennox to purchase my item. However, I decided to order online. It's just more convenient. I didn't feel like going in the store. Y'all know folks be getting shot at Lennox, okay? So your girl's not trying to go in there. This arrived to my doorstep. I had to sign for it, so they will not leave a purchase like this at your doorstep, okay? Gucci is not going for that, okay? Nobody's gonna steal your stuff. You have to sign for it, okay? So have somebody at your house to sign for it, all right? So when I opened the box, I was immediately impressed because look inside the box. Very, very cute. And so this is what the inside of the box looked like. Sorry, y'all. So this is what the inside of the box looked like immediately after me opening it. And I'm probably gonna, let me tilt my camera down so I can give y'all a better view because we gotta get into this, y'all. So inside the box, immediately I saw this, I'm not sure if this is a duster bag or it's just something they just wanted to gift your girl for purchasing with Gucci, but this is the bag that was inside. Like I said, I did purchase it offline from Gucci.com, so it does say Gucci.com right here. So yeah, they sent that. And then right here, they sent an envelope with, I guess, like receipts and stuff. I did open this. I didn't open the bag yet, y'all, but I did open this already. But inside of here is pretty much like a return label if you decide to return it. And pretty much like a little letter from Gucci saying thank you for purchasing. I hope you like your purchase, but if you must return, you know, here's how you do so. So yeah, all that was in there. Oh, and also, okay, another thank you for shopping with Gucci.com. If y'all can see that. So yeah, y'all, seeing this, I was very excited. You know, your girl loves some packaging. I love the quality, baby, okay? So I'm gonna set that to the side and we're gonna get into the actual Gucci box. So, inside of the brown box, y'all, you have, so they wrap these as if you buy it in the store, which I love. The fact that this is my first time actually purchasing like a real luxury purchase. I have other bags, but either they're used or they're not necessarily considered luxury. So this is my first time purchasing a brand new luxury item, so I'm really, really excited. So this is what our Gucci box looks like. They wrapped it up so nice and cute, and it's just giving quality, baby. It's reading very much quality to me, okay? So let's open it up and see what we got. So I'm gonna untie this. So we got that untied. So that's our little ribbon, put that to the side. All right, so now we're gonna open her up. Okay, so that bag I saw earlier was not the duster bag. This is the duster bag, which I did not know that. Like I said, this is my first time purchasing from Gucci, so you know your girl doesn't know. So what's this? So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what this is called since this little tag is in here. It is called the mini bag padlock, or the padlock mini bag from Gucci, in the color white beige is what it says, but I'm pretty sure it has black on it because I remember purchasing it on the website, of course. So this is the duster bag. This is what the duster looks like. Oh, got it the wrong way. So this is what our duster bag looks like. Got your Gucci logo on there. And let's just go ahead and take her out. Oh my God, man. So freaking cute. Oh. So let's just unwrap her and see what she is giving. Now I was going back and forth, y'all, with purchasing this bag or the small version. So this is the mini. They have a version. They have 3 versions of this bag. So this is the mini. They have a small and they have, I guess, the regular version. So I went for the mini. Of course, one of the reasons is, you know, easy on the pockets, okay? Because Gucci will hurt the pockets, okay? This bag retails for $1,100. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the bag, y'all. So super freaking cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off all the packaging. So it didn't come buckled already, but I'm gonna go ahead and, cause I'm intending to probably carry her like this anyway. But y'all, to be honest, I might actually, I don't know, I really like this bag, but I might exchange it for the bigger version because it's about, I guess, like $700 more for the bigger version. I'm not sure. I might go in store to see that because it might be worth it. All right, so now I have her all strapped together. Here is what she looks like. She is it, okay? How you open? Okay. So you open this by pressing the clamps together. Y'all, this is cute. It's giving, I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely freaking giving. So it smells so good. It smells like money. So I'm taking out the packaging. Okay, so I'm guessing these are like the codes to authenticate the bag. So take those out. You got all this. I don't know, y'all. Like I said, it's my first time purchasing a brand new luxury bag, so all these cards and stuff, I have no idea what they mean. But yeah, y'all, it's just a cute, simple bag. It has a pouch in here for like IDs, I guess. That's what I would use it for. I have to take this packaging off as well. But y'all, this is, the bag is giving. I ain't gonna lie. The bag is giving. I could wear it on the shoulder if I want, but most likely I'm gonna carry her like this because, you know, I'm loving that style. All right, you guys, that is it for today's luxury unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. We need to go ahead and start normalizing Black girls in luxury, okay? Because we can get it too, okay? We can go out here and work, get our coin, and buy the bag that we want, okay? Period. So let's normalize that, and I hope none of you guys are secretly hating on your girl. Just be happy for me, okay? Be happy for your girl, okay? So anyway, you guys, thank you guys for tuning in to this video. If you like videos like this, make sure you hit that like button down below. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know how you like this bag. Y'all think I should get the bigger version? Should I stick with the mini? Because the bigger version is about $700 more. Y'all give me your input. Let me know what y'all think, and I might take that into consideration. Anyway, you guys, hopefully I'll be able to do more luxury unboxings soon. Pray for your girl, okay? Gotta get these coins together, all right? And make sure you guys tune in to my next video. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I move. She let it clap for a nigga. If she throw it back for a nigga.